Not every memorable moment at a concert happens when the main show begins. Sometimes, the warmest and most unforgettable moments are born during the rehearsal before the concert. That was exactly what happened during the second-day soundcheck of BTS's Arirang World Tour in Japan. Even though it was only a warm-up session before the official performance, the members managed to excite thousands of ARMY in the arena through relaxed, funny, and heartwarming interactions. From the moment the arena doors opened, fans' enthusiasm was already overwhelming. Soundcheck is always a special opportunity for fans because they get to see the members' natural side. There is no pressure from a huge stage, no full choreography, just the BTS members appearing casually while testing their sound and chatting with fans. But as always, BTS managed to turn a simple moment into something unforgettable. The main highlight of the day was Taehyung, also known as V. His appearance immediately caught fans' attention. He wore a white beanie, an olive green hoodie, and carried a red microphone. The casual look made many ARMYs say Taehyung looked like a college crush. Simple, yet incredibly charming. Taehyung casually walked around the stage, occasionally smiling toward the audience. He looked very comfortable and seemed to be enjoying the atmosphere. Many fans said Taehyung's aura that day felt especially warm and cheerful. However, the most talked about moment happened when Taehyung noticed Jungkook standing on the other side of the stage. Without warning, he suddenly lifted his red microphone and pointed it toward Jungkook with a mischievous smile. Taehyung's eyes sparkled, and his signature boxy smile instantly appeared. Jungkook, who initially did not realize what was happening, looked confused for a moment. But once he noticed Taehyung's playful gesture, he immediately laughed shyly. Jungkook's spontaneous reaction filled the arena with cheers. The two stood there for a few seconds, laughing and looking at each other, creating a simple yet adorable moment that instantly melted fans' hearts. Even though it only lasted briefly, the interaction became one of the most viral parts of the second-day soundcheck. Many fans recorded it and shared it on social media. Within a short time, the video of Taehyung and Jungkook spread widely and became a hot topic among ARMY around the world. Many fans said Taehyung and Jungkook's relationship always feels special because they have natural chemistry. Their friendship looks sincere, playful, and always manages to create sweet moments effortlessly. Taehyung is indeed known for being spontaneous and often lightening the atmosphere. He does not need to do anything big to draw attention. Just his facial expressions, smile, or small gestures are enough to send fans into a frenzy. During the soundcheck, Taehyung also greeted the audience in Japanese. He said, "Otsukaresama deshita," which was met with loud cheers from fans. The simple gesture showed Taehyung's closeness with local fans and his effort to always make ARMY feel appreciated. Although Taehyung became the center of attention, he was not the only member stealing hearts that day. Kim Seokjin, or Jimin, also made fans go wild in his own way. In a short clip that spread widely online, Jimin was seen standing casually while singing. He wore an open olive green jacket with a white t-shirt underneath and held a red microphone close to his lips. Jimin slightly tilted his head while adjusting his jacket collar with both hands. That small gesture left fans mesmerized. Many said Jimin looked like the main character in a romantic drama scene. Even though it lasted only a few seconds, the clip immediately went viral on social media. Many fans said Jin's visuals were simply too perfect. The nickname, Worldwide Handsome, began trending again after the moment spread. Some fans wrote that Jimin looked incredibly relaxed, which only made his charm stronger. Others said Jimin does not need to do anything at all to become the center of attention. Jimin truly has a unique appeal. He can appear calm and simple, yet still radiate a star aura that is impossible to ignore. The second-day soundcheck proved that even during rehearsal, Jimin could still captivate everyone. Meanwhile, Park Jimin delivered a different kind of moment, one that felt more emotional. While speaking to fans, Jimin thanked ARMY for arriving early. With a warm smile, he then said, "It's been a long time since we met." That short sentence immediately touched many fans' hearts. After a long wait and BTS's busy schedule, hearing Jimin say that he missed meeting fans felt deeply meaningful. Many ARMY admitted they were moved by his words. Some even said the atmosphere in the arena became more emotional after Jimin spoke. Jimin is known for being sensitive and thoughtful. He always manages to deliver simple words with deep emotion. That is why the brief moment became one of the most memorable parts of the soundcheck. Jungkook was also highly active throughout the session. Aside from his interaction with Taehyung, he was seen moving around the stage and joking with the other members. His bright energy made the soundcheck even more lively. As the youngest member, Jungkook often shows the playful side fans adore. He seemed to enjoy every moment on stage, even during rehearsal. Another funny moment came from Jimin and Jungkook's interaction. The two once again showed their signature older brother and younger brother dynamic full of jokes. They were seen teasing each other and playing around between rehearsals. For longtime BTS fans, seeing Jimin and Jungkook joke around like that felt deeply nostalgic. Their interactions reminded many people of BTS's early debut days, when the members often showed their warm and funny family-like bond. Not only that, Taehyung and Jungkook also briefly sang Crystal Snow a cappella. The song, beloved by Japanese fans, felt even more special when sung casually, without full musical accompaniment. Their voices blended softly, making the arena atmosphere feel intimate. Many fans immediately recorded the moment, while others simply chose to enjoy it emotionally. Many ARMY said the short a cappella clip felt even more emotional because it was performed so naturally. There was no grand concept, just two close friends singing casually on stage. This second-day soundcheck once again showed why BTS is loved by fans all over the world. They do not treat rehearsal sessions as a formal obligation to simply get through. Instead, they turn them into an opportunity to genuinely connect with fans. Taehyung walked around the stage smiling and joking. Jimin sang casually with stunning visuals. Jimin expressed how much he missed ARMY. Jungkook spread cheerful energy throughout the event. Everything was done naturally and sincerely. In today's entertainment era filled with massive productions and luxurious concepts, simple moments like these feel especially valuable. Fans can see BTS in their most authentic form, without filters, without scripts, and without distance. It is no surprise that clips from the soundcheck immediately flooded social media. Hashtags related to Taehyung, Jungkook, Jimin, and Jimin quickly trended. Many fans reshared their favorite videos while expressing happiness after seeing those moments.